Back to the NFL on EA Sports. All right, here we go. Second down. Barkley on the shotgun handoff. He only can get his arm here, but it's going to be third down.
Okay, that's a run that's ho-hum on the stat sheet, but if you see a bigger play on the ground later on, it'll largely be because of a play just like that one, softening up the front and opening the door for a bigger gap in the future.
Here he goes, third and long.